Oh, we're ready to rip after an hour. Wait, what do you got going on here?
Oh, the bike's going.
That is questionable. There you go. No, I'll go 50. So just try to hug the left there, Mike, and go nice and slow.
Cutter this way a bit. Yep, keep left. Perfect. Sailor across. Stay left, though. Left and right on, Mike.
And then here, I like to just go down a bit because it's not that steep. Oh, just wait. Let's put her in low. Concerning. Yeah, no, this and like they drained this mud hole. Yeah, it used to be so bad. Shelter. Yeah. Yeah, let's not do that again.
If you do, nickel side. Okay.
Oh.
Switch bikes, right here.
No. He don't want to drive this bus. Okay. How deep is it? Oh, that's pretty deep, dude. I want to put her in 4x4. Wonder why. There's no way that valve's bad again. Man, they really gotta fix this bridge. Well, Kim's a light little man, Cam. Watch out for the big rock here. Oh, that's f***ing muddy, dude. Someone ripped the lights out of this place again? Oh, look at that. He's got a fucking sprayer on there. Oh, that's luxury. Wait, yeah, okay, go down. Oh, wow, this is all drained too. Oh, that bridge is so that's crazy. Here, Cam, go in here. Do it. Is it not starting? No, it's not cooked. You're above the filter. It doesn't matter. Okay. Why is your battery dead? Like you can't start her? Don't start it right now anyway. That's fine. Yo, good thing I got this new fancy remote. You know, you're fine. I think you're fine. Here, Mike, you hold this. Let's go back toward where you are. Okay, well, don't just yeah. If you got one side. Oh my God. Oh, you're good. Dude. Good thing you know a mechanic. We really got to get a toe strap. Okay, let's wait now. Let's check this thing out. Get off and pop the seat.
Well, that was fun. Dude, I am just drenched.
Pop the, how do you get it? Let's check the intake here.
Yeah, that looks good.
I don't love that.
Well, that's
Oh, it's not ideal. It's not that bad. Yeah. Oh,
that is soaked. Oh, actually, it's not even like that.
it's not like terrible. Well, it's a little, but it's hard to say. Why is there so much water just sitting in here? Oh.
That's oil? Yo, that shouldn't be there.
This doesn't make any sense.
Well, start now? Did you try?
Oh, I don't know if I'd start it now.
No.
Oh my god!
Yeah, do it again.
Look at kicking the water.
Yeah, keep kicking that out.
It wants to start.
It wants to start. What?
Can we get this elevated at all?
Like, get out of here?
No, like lift the thing up.
Yeah, let's just get it out of here. Yeah, right here. Okay. It's a Honda.
Oh, she's good for another 100,000.
Anyone want to buy a bike? It's for sale.
Never seen water.
Shop cap. Showroom condition.
Okay, we do have a problem with the oil.
Look, I'm gonna FaceTime Kenzie and show him.
He loves working on this thing. Mint. Don't worry about the oil.
Good as new.
This happens every time.
I've done a lot of stupid shit, but that's really dumb. Dude, it was
I feel bad for saying, hey, you should go through that.
not your fault. You were driving.
I didn't think it was that deep. Everything's been so dry.
We're taking her easy.
Well, yeah, we're just gonna putt back home now.
No, we're good. Keep going. Keep this party on the road.
You can run it in high now, Mike. We're gonna just hit this trail. Dude. Sick cover photo.
It works out working all right.
Surprisingly, yeah.
Yeah.
I think
There's
it
a
works.
lot of steam coming out of it when you started off there.
Oh yeah. Well, it works better now, I think, than before because it actually idles now. It wasn't idling before. It just killed it.
Dude, that was a great ride. Mike's first rip on the buggy.
Mike's first tear on the old General.
The Honda sank. It's
She
still
swam.
it's for sale, just FYI.
She swam too. Made it out, no issues. Gotta love Hondas. Why? Because